Students, manganese we are writing Mn, atomic number 25. Manganese, Mn symbol, atomic number 25. Manganese symbol is Mn. Okay, students, after this, iron అంటాం కదా, ఐఎన్ అలా పలకాలి. ఐఎన్ ఐఆర్ఓఎన్, ఐరన్ అని పలుకుతుంటారు, ఐఎన్ అని పలకాలి. ఐఆర్ఓఎన్, ఐఎన్. This iron has Latin name, students. Actually,
Ferrum.
its Latin name is
Ferrum, sir.
ferrum. Very good, child. Very good. Ferrum. Below the word iron, in a bracket, you write its Latin name. Or otherwise, after the class, after completion of 30 elements, I give you the list of Latin names also. But you note down, students. Iron, its Latin name is ferrum. From this, the symbol for the iron is taken. That is Fe. So, iron symbol is capital F and small e. E short ga undali. Fe. Capital F. Only capital F and E. Short E, students. Note this word point. I show you once again. Iron symbol is Fe. Atomic number is 26. Iron Fe. Atomic number 26. After this, students, iron Latin name is ferrum, symbol is Fe, atomic number is 26. Next element is cobalt. 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 Iron. After iron, next element is cobalt. Cobalt is the name of the element. Cobalt is the name of the element. These two letters are used as symbol, students. That is capital C, small o. The symbol of cobalt you must write very carefully, students, because here I tell you one important point to you all. I am erasing this. Cobalt symbol is CO. This is the correct way. If you write like this, this become, do you know what is this? This become
కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్.
కార్బన్ మోనాక్సైడ్. డయాక్సైడ్ 2 ఉంటుందమ్మా కింద, 2 లేదు కదా. సో CO, this is cobalt symbol. If you wrote C size ఎంత ఉంది, O size అంతే రాస్తే కార్బన్ మోనాక్సైడ్ యొక్క ఫార్ములా అయిపోతుంది అది. Many times will ask to you in the examination, students, mainly in the competitive exam. What is the difference between C small o, C capital O? C తర్వాత స్మాల్ o ఉంటే సింబల్ ఫర్ కోబాల్ట్ అవుతుంది. C తర్వాత క్యాపిటల్ O ఉంటే ఫార్ములా ఫర్ కార్బన్ మోనోఆక్సైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఫార్ములా ఫర్ కార్బన్ మోనాక్సైడ్ అవుతుంది. So you should write carefully here. This is not the symbol for cobalt. Cobalt symbol is capital C, small o. This is the correct symbol, correct way of writing symbol for cobalt, my dear students. CO. Note this point, very important, this one. In any competitive exam, this will be asked to you. After 10th, many of you write Polytechnic, APRJC, any other competitions. Some of you are writing NTSC also. In such examination, this type of questions will be asked to you, students. After cobalt, okay, cobalt atomic number is 27. Cobalt atomic number is 27. Symbol is CO. Next element is nickel. NiCkel. KEL. Nickel. Nickel is the name of the element. Nickel is the name of the element. Nickel is the name of the element. Symbol is this first letter and the next prominent letter, stressed letter. That is symbol for nickel is Ni. I'm showing you again. Capital N, small and short I, nickel. Symbol for nickel, Ni. Atomic number 28. Capital N, small I should be short. Next one, copper, COPPER. Copper is the name of the element. Ragi. Copper is the name of the element. This element also has Latin name.
Cuprum.
Cuprum.
Very good child. Very
Cuprum,
good.
sir. Cu.
Very good. CUPRUM. Boys are active early morning today. Copper symbol is Latin name is cuprum. Below the copper in bracket you can write its Latin name cuprum. In this one, this Cu is used as a symbol for copper. I show you the symbol. Copper symbol is Cu. Capital C, small u, U should be short, cuprum, and atomic number is 29. Copper, cuprum, atomic number is 29. Copper, symbol is Cu, atomic number is 29. Cu, atomic number is 29. Somebody unmuted there, mute it. Check your device. Next, last 31 is 38 is zinc, ZiNC. Zinc is the name of the element. Symbol is capital Z. Is prominent and symbol becomes ZN. Number is 30. I am showing here. ZN and atomic number 30. Zinc symbol Zn, atomic number 30. With the students, 30 elements, their names, symbol, and atomic numbers you wrote and learned how to write the symbol. First letter should be capital. While writing the symbol, first letter should be capital. Second letter should be small and short, students. This point you have to remember permanently. This all you have to by heart and tell me, you all must tell me in the next class to me. Everyone, girls and boys, all of you, by heart this. I ask you name, I call your name, and I ask you one particular name of the element. Then you have to tell its symbol and atomic number. Sometime I ask you atomic number, you should tell element name. I tell you symbol name, you should tell element name and atomic number. Like that you should be ready, students. Every science students of 10th class must know this, students. Students, now close the table. Close the table ante kinda line వేయండి. Draw a line, close it. Draw a line, close it. Students have any doubt regarding these atomic numbers of elements, you can ask me now or send me the message to me now immediately. Immediately you can send your doubt to me. I clarify now itself to you all. Quick. If it is completed, I tell you some other elements, atomic Latin names. Somebody kept open your video, close it. I think no doubt, students. We take some other points now. Students, elements and their Latin names. That list I am going to give you. Note down. You wrote already. Sodium, natrium, you wrote. Write down. Sodium. Latin name is natrium. This is completed already. Next one is potassium. This also completed. If saturated, then leave class. No continuation. Potassium, kalium, this also completed. Copper, just you wrote. And nowadays they say element name below that Latin, its Latin name. Copper, cuprum. Now this one, note down. Mercury, name of the element. Mercury, element name, planet name. ప్లానెట్ వేరే ఎలిమెంట్ వేరే కానీ పేర్లు అక్కడ కూడా వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ కూడా వస్తుంది చైల్డ్ ఇట్స్ లాటిన్ నేమ్ ఇస్ హైడ్రార్జియం HY వెరీ గుడ్ చైల్డ్ DRARGYUM పక్కన పక్కన రాయండి ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ స్పేస్ దట్స్ వై ఐ బ్రేక్ ద వర్డ్ మెర్క్యూరీ లాటిన్ నేమ్ ఇస్ హైడ్రార్జియం HYDRARGYRUM HYDRARGYRUM hydrogen. After mercury, you wrote already iron. For that Latin name is ferrum. For that Latin name is ferrum. You this is FERRUM. Ferrum. Next one. Tin, TIN is the name of the element and Latin name is stannum. STANNUM. Tin, stannum. రాయని తొందరగా ఎలిమెంట్ నేమ్ ఇస్ టిన్ ఇట్స్ లాటిన్ నేమ్ ఇస్ స్టానమ్ సింబల్ ఇస్ SN tin stannum. Next is name of the element is lead. Lead kadu. You should not read it this as lead. Lead. Lead is the name of the element. Lead is the name of the element. You should read this as lead. My dear students, we should read this word as lead. Lead is the name of the element. Plumbum, PLUM, BUM is its Latin name. Plumbum. Symbol is PB. I am writing again. Plumbum. PLUM, BUM. Continue cheyandi. Symbol is PB. PB is the symbol for lead. Its Latin name is plumbum. Lead, plumbum. Symbol is PB. Next one is silver. SILVER, silver. Its Latin name is argentum. ARGENTUM. I don't have space there. You continue the word. Silver. Its Latin name is argentum. And symbol is A, capital A, small g. AG. Silver. Argentum. Symbol is AG. AG. Students, these are the Latin names. Still we have little time. You can ask your doubt now. Quickly.
Sir, gold have Latin name.
What, child?
Gold have Latin name.
Gold is there. Write down. Arum. AURUM. V. Manohar is asking, what about atomic weight, sir? అటామిక్ వెయిట్ కి మరి ఒక కాలం వేసుకోవాలి మనోహర్. మనము కాలం వేసుకొని అటామిక్ వెయిట్ రాసుకుంటూ పోవాలి. హైడ్రోజన్ కి 1, హీలియం కి 4, లిథియం కి 7, ఇలా రాసుకుంటూ పోయి అవి కూడా బై హార్ట్ చేయాలి. ఐ గివ్ యూ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద అటామిక్ వెయిట్ లేటర్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్ టు యువర్ క్వశ్చన్, మై డియర్ చైల్డ్. గోల్డ్ ఆర్ఎం AURUM. AURUM. Arum. Symbol is A, small u. Gold, Arum, AU. AG వస్తే సిల్వర్, AU కనిపిస్తే గోల్డ్ అని అర్థం. Anywhere have you, if you have seen AU, you should read this as gold. If you see AG, you should read it as silver, like that. Any doubt, students? Open your video. If class ends, we close this. If session ends, we close this. No continuation. Not this point. Tungsten wolfram. Very good, Karun. One more you can write down. Symbol is capital W. I'm sending in the chat. Tungsten.
Antimony, sir. Antimony, sir.
Antimony is TBM, SB. That also you can write.